Hey guys, guess what? New hair! So, this isn't it. I dyed it rose gold a couple of days ago. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw it on my Instagram story. So I had no plans of changing my hair color because I've had it for like 8 years. I've had it forever, and I got hired for a campaign and they needed me to change my hair color. So I was like, you know what, why not? It's just gonna be like a semi-permanent, so it'll wash out. But I wanted to tone my hair one more time. Just to have like one tutorial with the rose gold because it was so pretty. Like, I loved it. It's just not a practical color for me to maintain because I would literally have to tone my hair every week. My hair does not hold those colors well at all. So I thought, why not come on camera and tone my hair for you guys so you guys can see how to do it in case you guys want to try it out at home. So the goal today is to retone my hair and get those rosy tones back into my hair color. I'm going to do it just one last time, you know, just to be sure. So you want to start with your hair pre-lightened. So my hair is bleached to about a level 10. So it's like, it's bleached really, really blonde under here. The hairdresser that did my color was kind enough to give me some of the leftover dye in case I wanted to touch it up. So it's Artego. I've never worked with it before. So if you want to replicate it at home with a different color line, I think you'll be pretty like safe. If you use these exact colors from a different color line, if you can't get your hands on Artego. So I'm going to be going in with 2 parts of the Natural Violet Level 9, 1 part of the Natural Violet Level 7, 2 squirts of the Red Booster. So I'm going to dampen my hair and I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Starting with the level 9 Natural Violet, I'm going to squeeze 50 ml into my coloring bowl. And then I'm going to grab my Natural Violet level 7 and I'm going to use 25 ml into my coloring bowl. And then my level 6 red, I'm going to just squeeze a couple of squirts. And then equal parts 10 Vol Developer. How yummy does that look? So I just dampened my hair and now I'm going to apply the color as evenly as possible. Don't forget your gloves. Alright, so I'm just going to take small sections because it'll just go faster that way. So you guys can see I don't need to put it on my roots. My roots are dark. So I'm just going to put it on the part where the kind of balayage starts. And I'm going to be very generous with it. So just a little tip to help it go faster, the part that the section that you're coloring, just detangle it really, really quickly and it'll just help the color apply a little bit more evenly and a little bit faster. So you basically want to apply the color quite generously and then just rub it together. You can use the brush to kind of spread it through. And then just rub it together with your fingers till it's completely saturated. Generously. So because this is a semi-permanent, it's not going to affect my root color at all. You'll be surprised how far a little bit of color goes if you emulsify it properly. Especially because my hair is damp, it helps to get the color applied as evenly as possible. So make sure you detangle it. It goes a lot faster and the color applies a lot easier. I'm using just a standard detangling brush, and then you want to apply a generous amount to the lightened areas. Rub it together and then you want to kind of blend it into the rooted area, even though this color is not going to affect your roots because it's a semi-permanent. Nice and generous. So detangle, apply the color generously, slide it down, rub, 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 And then I'm just flipping it on the other side and applying just a little bit more just to make sure it's completely saturated all the way through, because I don't want to end up with like blotchy, uneven color. Is this like really satisfying to watch because I'm a hairdresser, or is it really satisfying to watch just in general? I can watch color being done all day. So once it's done, I'm just gonna like twist it together just to keep it organized and away from my face so the color doesn't end up all over the place. And we're gonna let it process for 20 minutes. And then I'm just gonna shampoo and condition my hair a couple of times just to get all that hair dye out. And here's the final result. This beautiful, gorgeous rose gold hair color. So the hairdresser that formulated this hair color for me, I'm gonna leave all of her information in the description below. Make sure you guys check out her page, she's amazing. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys think.